Assalamu alaikum and good morning all of you. Here is Miss Aghosh, your English teacher. Today we will learn about vowels. So dear students, as you know that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet family. 5 of them are known as vowels. And the remaining letters are called consonants. How many vowels do we have? 5. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. When there are 3 letters in a word, it normally takes vowel sounds. Now, let's do this worksheet to clear this concept. Write the vowels A, E, I, O, U in the blank space to make the word shown in the picture. Which picture is this? Cap. K, A, P. So we will write the vowel A. Cap. The next picture is leg. L, A, G. We will write the vowel A here. The next picture is pen. P, A, N. Again we will write the vowel A. The next picture is dog. Dog, D, O, G. So we will write the vowel O. The next picture is a top. T, O, P. Again here comes the vowel O. Top. This is a bun. B, A, N. Bun. Here comes the vowel U. It makes the sound A. Bun. The second last picture is a jug. J, A, G. Here we will write again A. The last picture is pin. P, E. E is a I. P-I-N. Pin. Now do page number 19 in your English book. Goodbye.